Hello everyone. Today we're going to be checking out the T2X token. They officially got the XSwap going. I've been running it a couple of days. They have two different pools and the swap is in between. They have the T2X pool. There is a 10% entrance and exit fee. I put in 14,000. That's after the 10%. So I got my share of the pool size is 0.15%. This is my total claimed T2X and my unclaimed. This is 189 T2X, and I have not claimed anything in 2 days officially now. So we'll go ahead and claim that. That should just go straight to my open staking. So now I've claimed 247. This side's the TRX side. And in this pool I have 6,975, and I'm basically 1/3%. So I've claimed 17 TRX. I have 55 to be claimed. So we'll go ahead and claim those, and they should go straight to my wallet. Yep, there's my 55. So right here I could swap from T2X to TRX, or if I click this button it'll swap them and go the other way if I want to buy more TRX. It's basically one TRX gets me 5 T2X tokens. So basically what you have to do is, if we come over here to the auction, let this load up, should be rolling up. There we go. So anything under 5 right now, any of these days, it would have been better to go purchase them from the XSwap, because you'll get more. I'm sure the price would go up or down depending upon how many you bought. So I have some stakes. There's my 247, by the way. I have some stakes I didn't claim. I'm in the process. I'm going to swap over to 2 30-day stakes. So this will I will only be claiming every other week is the goal. And I'm just going to kind of sit and let this one run for longer periods of time without me checking in on it. It's great and all to get rewards daily, but it definitely takes up more time. First one's been collected. I have about 97,000 TR or T2X. So I'm going to try to make 2 stakes of 50. If you notice, all of these end on day 56. So we got, what? There's 10, 15, 20. And another 13, so there's 33 roughly. 13, 192, and we just want that to end on day 56. Yep, 10 days. Get that to stake. What I'll probably end up doing is taking this one and this one. That'll be for probably the last 3, because that'll put me right at, or just over 50k. and then have these two left, and then all of the ones I've done so far. Alright. Eligible. I think that's it for this one. The auction's still going pretty strong, as you can see, which has been nice. Actually, what I want to check real quick is, we'll let this one load up. So 1,018,000. Let's look at our dividend history. Alright. So that'd be about right there. It is holding steadier at a little bit higher of a rate. Well, 445. Let's go back to here. 368. 368. So I thought. Let's see. I thought some of the fees, trading fee of 20% is charged on all buys and sells. 10% will be used to buy back. Yeah, so 10%. And all purchased T2X will be burned. 9% will be distributed to the liquidity providers. 1% will be sent to the daily void dev team. Okay, so half of whatever the fees are goes to, it's supposed to go to the dividends pool. They do have some FAQs on how stuff works, things like that. Alright, I guess that's going to be it. Shorter video today, but the pools and swaps are pretty simple. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below or up on the Discord. I'll try to answer them the best I can. I believe we've almost reached 800 subscribers, so I think there is a couple days left in the month of August. It'd be nice to hit 800. I'm trying to hit 100 per month. That way I can hit 1,000 by the end of the year. I'll definitely be able to do that as long as I can keep putting out videos. So thanks for y'all's support and joining me along my journey. Y'all have a wonderful day.